Hello there. Today, let's talk about one of the most rewarding crops you can grow, spinach. Spinach is a cool weather crop, thriving in spring and autumn, perfect for the UK climate. Its journey began in ancient Persia, traveled through the Middle East and became a staple across Europe. When you plant spinach, you're joining a centuries-old tradition. It's simple to grow, packed with nutrition, and can be grown in gardens, pots, or even on a sunny windowsill. Let's get started. Before you start planting spinach, gather your essentials: spinach seeds, a garden bed or container with drainage, peat-free compost, a hand trowel or garden fork, and a watering can with a fine rose. Choose spinach seeds suited to your climate. Prepare your soil or fill your container with peat-free compost for healthy growth. Use a garden fork or hand trowel to loosen the soil and create a smooth surface for sowing. If using a container, make sure it has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and support healthy roots. Water your compost or soil gently with a watering can fitted with a fine rose so seeds won't be disturbed. With these simple tools and materials, you're ready to plant and grow your own delicious spinach. Now comes the most exciting part: planting your spinach seeds. Start by loosening the soil in your garden bed or filling your pot with compost, leaving a little space at the top. Lightly water the soil to make it moist but not soggy. Make a shallow trench in the soil or poke holes about 2 centimeters deep for your seeds. Sprinkle the spinach seeds thinly along the trench or into the holes. Gently cover the seeds with soil or compost and pat down lightly to secure them. Water the area again with a gentle spray to settle the soil. Label your row or pot so you remember what you've planted. Now, all that's left is to wait for those first green shoots to appear. The magic has begun. Once your seeds are nestled safely in the soil, the real journey begins. Now, it's all about consistent and attentive care. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Check every couple of days and water at the base to avoid wetting the leaves. If your seedlings are crowded, thin them out so each plant has about 15 centimeters of space. The baby spinach thinnings are delicious in salads. Watch for pests like slugs and snails. Remove them by hand or use organic deterrents to protect your spinach. Downy mildew can be a problem in humid conditions. Ensure good spacing for air circulation and remove any affected leaves promptly. Keep weeds under control with regular hand weeding, so your spinach gets all the nutrients and sunlight it needs. With these simple steps, watering, thinning, pest control and weeding, your spinach will thrive and reward you with an abundance of fresh, green leaves. Before you know it, you'll have a lush, healthy crop, ready to be harvested and enjoyed in countless delicious ways. So, let's take a closer look and see what makes spinach so special, not just to grow, but also to eat and enjoy in our diets. Spinach is one of nature's most nutritious greens, offering a wide range of health benefits in every leaf. It's packed with vitamin K, which supports strong bones and healthy blood clotting. Spinach is also a great source of vitamin A, important for good vision and immune health. With vitamin C, spinach helps your body absorb iron and keeps your skin glowing. Folate in spinach is essential for cell growth and especially important during pregnancy. Spinach provides iron, which helps prevent tiredness and supports healthy blood. It's rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals that keep your muscles and nerves working smoothly. Spinach is low in calories and high in fiber, making it perfect for healthy digestion and weight management. Its antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin help protect your eyes from damage as you age. Eating fresh spinach from your garden means you enjoy all these benefits at their peak. It's a true superfood, delicious, nourishing, and a smart choice for your health. Growing your own spinach is the best way to get the freshest, most nutritious leaves possible. Now let's talk about harvesting. There's a special joy in harvesting spinach you've grown yourself. The moment you cut those vibrant green leaves, you feel the reward of your patience and care. Spinach is wonderfully versatile in the kitchen. Whether you toss it into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or saute it for dinner, every dish feels more special when it's made with your own harvest. Growing spinach connects you to the rhythms of nature. You witness tiny seeds transform into lush plants, and each stage brings a sense of wonder and calm. There's a real sense of accomplishment in nurturing a plant from seed to plate. Each harvest is a reminder of your effort and care, and the satisfaction is unmatched. And of course, spinach is packed with nutrients that support your health. Every leaf you pick is full of vitamins and minerals, making your meals both delicious and nourishing. So grab your seeds and start your own spinach patch. No matter your space or experience, the rewards are many and always worth the effort. Happy gardening. May your spinach patch bring you joy, nourishment, and a little bit of magic from the earth.